Hello. So I've decided to try a feather for the first time. Also, I'm not really sure how the audio is going to be on this video. I hope it's okay. But yes, so I am going to try to hold back with the feather, and I'm going to make one video where it's a talkie and then another video where I do not talk. I will say that I've been having problems with my health lately, so if I do start to get too dizzy, I will not hold back and I will just let it happen. So yeah, I'd be lying if I said I'm not a little bit nervous. I've never used a feather before. I did have to give one to my cat so that she would leave me alone while I do this. So let's see. Okay, so I'm trying to I'm just gonna stick it in there. Okay. It does tickle. Whoa. Oh, oops. Oh, God. Okay. We are not off to a good start with the holdbacks. Oh. Oh my God, I'm not sure if I can hold these back. Let's see. Okay, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Oh my God, I can't do it. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna try again. I want to actually hold this one back this time, all the way. Oh, I couldn't do it. God, usually I'm better at holdbacks than this, but okay, let's give it another shot. Usually talking will help me hold back, so I'm gonna try to talk my way through this holdback. Yeah, so I have like how there's the downy part of the feather, and then the top bit. I have the top bit. Aww. Boo. Okay. I have the top bit, and I'm just putting that in my left side. I am kind of sticking it up there a little bit because I have very narrow nasal passages, so I don't think that if I just pressed it up against my nose, it would actually go up there. And I actually did trim it so that it would fit up there better. Oh God. Oh. Damn it. Okay, we're gonna hold this back. We're gonna hold this back. I could do it. I could do it. Aww. Okay, we're gonna give it one more try with the talking. Oh god, I would talk, but I honestly cannot think of a single thing to say because it tickles so bad that I can't think. I'm sorry.